We were promised that the internet would set us free and that more information would lead us to the truth. But when we look around, does it feel like we are getting closer to understand, or does it feel like we are losing our grip on reality? Imagine using a map. A map isn't the actual world. It's just a tool to help you find your way. If a map shows a bridge but there's only a cliff, that map can get you into serious trouble. Now picture being a car with 3 million people, but everyone has different GPS. One person sees a highway, another sees a wall, and yet another sees a battlefield. We are not arguing because we dislike each other. We are shouting because we all have different viewpoints, and we fear that someone would lead us off a cliff with their map. And here's a key point. Information was never meant to be seen as absolute truth. In the past, information was the glue to hold communities together, helping us to organize armies, businesses, or entire countries. But remember, glue doesn't care what it's sticking together. It could bond a beautiful creation or a dangerous device. Previously, we relied on editors, librarians, and neighbors to filter information. Now our information is shaped by algorithms, computer programs designed to grab our attention. And if we ask what is the easiest way to get attention, often it's by stirring up anger rather than sharing the truth. We use it to think of computers as simple tools like hammers which don't determine what it should be built. That's up to us. However, today's technology is more like an automatic system that makes decisions about what we see, who we communicate with, and even what we believe, often without us realizing it. For the first time, we have a middleman that isn't human. This system doesn't have feelings, doesn't care about our future. It only cares about what keeps us clicking. We have let this impersonal force take control. The strength of a free society lies not in always being right, but in our ability to recognize when we have made mistakes. We call this self-correction. But to make corrections, we need to be able to talk to each other. If the glue of information gets so sticky that we get trapped in our own bubbles, we lose our ability to correct our mistakes. We become rigid, and when something is rigid, it tends to break. The real issue we are facing isn't simply a divide between political beliefs, it's about people struggling against a confusing network. We are trying to operate our ancient mindsets in a modern political system, governed by algorithms that few of us fully understand. This system is designed to make us see our neighbors as adversaries. But the truth is, our neighbors are not the enemy. The silence between us is what divides us. The fact that we no longer share the same understanding of the world is the enemy. We don't need more information, we need to connect with each other. So today, try something different. Talk to someone who sees the world differently than you do. Do not aim to win an argument, just try to understand their perspective. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we have to create it together, one conversation at a time. If this resonates with you, share with your friends, especially someone you may not see eye to eye with. Let's start building a shared understanding again. Stay curious and stay continued to one another. Thank you so much for watching my video.